Okay, so I just picked up these, the Babybels, and these are plant-based, so we're gonna give these things a try. When you get them, it looks just like a regular Babybel. I've sort of already taken off the plastic, so we're gonna give this thing a try here and open it up. I do usually get the low-fat ones anyway, but let's try this plant-based one and see how it is. I mean, I guess it's got a different color wax, but this is what it looks like. It's definitely harder than the other ones. Let's see if we can see it closer. This doesn't look as nice, but let's see it. Cream.
Turn left on West Main Street.
And smooth than the others. And it tastes like cheese. Smells like cheese. I would never guess this is not cheese. That's what it looks like when I bite into it. But I'm gonna say it's delicious. I would make the change.
Turn left on North Stemmons Freeway.
Crackers, and it would be delicious. It's just amazing. Holy cow! Very good. So thumbs up. Super thumbs up. Pick up some of these.